The last part of this subchapter is creation, our first serious program, as I can say. It is a program for turn-on signal basis of the system in the car. So if we want turn right, we have to switch the indicator that we want to turn right, and in our cars the lamps on the right should be blinking. If we want to turn left, so from on the left side, and if we have some problem, we should click this red triangle, and our left and right should immediately in the same time blinking. So how we should make it? First of all, in order to make it exactly in know-how project, so first of all we should declare in our PLC tags input-output. You should have our input-output here already written, so only change the name in order to have this in a clear way made. So first of all it will be switcher left. Here we can make a space, so it's no problem. So to our input of PLC I0.0, it is switcher left. Here, switcher right. And the last, for example, on output, it's no problem now. Switcher problem. If we have some problem with the with our car, we can switch this and work with our blinking lamps. So here we should change for I0.2, and our output will be Q0.0 and Q0.1. 0.0 it will be left lamps, not only one, for example 3 lamps, but connected to one input, and next it is right lamps. In our declaration now it is everything. Next thing which we have to done, if we haven't got done it yet, maybe you open new project, we have to start our generator in the PLC. So once again I show you that we make it in device configuration, we checked our PLC. Now we are in info, so we have another window at the bottom, but click properties. In my case it is from the info to properties, and here we have got this system and clock memory, and we need our memory bits. Here enable use memory byte of clock. So we go to our main program, and in the main program we start programming. So first thing, we should insert our contactor, and the contactor is connected to our I0.0. I do not remember exactly that it was switcher, so I wrote I0.0 because I know that there was such an address. Enter. It is switcher left. This switcher left switch our Q0.0. It is exactly left lamps. So it only will switch, so we want to blink it. So we should start our generator. Clock, it is exactly clock, for example clock of 1 Hz, so 1 second on and 1 second off. We won't exactly make this for the second side, so the easiest way, check this everything and select everything and copy, or you can also copy whole network, copy and check this network after which you want to paste it. So we want after first network, so we click paste, and we have got exactly the same in the network 2. Here we should change it for the switcher right, so now I write switcher right, and here I use right lamps. So we have got exactly the same condition of the clock 1 Hz. What's more, so now we have got something like this, that we want turn left, we start our switcher left, we want turn right, we start our switcher right, and our lamps works. If we have some problem, we should click our red triangle in our car, and how we should start it to blinking two lamps in one time. As you remember, we have got here open coil. This open coil can be used only once in the project, so we cannot write in the third network, for example, switcher triangle, clock, and control these two elements in one time. We cannot do it because it is open coil and it can be used only in one times in the program. How we make it? We put it at the start of the network, create new condition, parallel condition, because if the switcher left is switch on, or this triangle, so the problem with the car, so we have it in 0.3, then name 0.2, sorry, so it is a switcher problem, and this switcher problem will start also this generator. It does not take care what we do exactly with our switcher left. It can be switch on, switch off, it's not matter. And here exactly the same thing. We can paste it by the copy, and what we obtain after it, exactly this what we want. So the system which we have got in our cars. We want turn left, so our left lamp will blinks, turn right, our right lamps. When we have some problem in the car, we want switch on two lamps together, so this red triangle, then we click our switcher problem, and as long as it will be switch on, our two lamps will blinking in the same time. Thank you very much for last part of second subchapter.